Hello, Pteronauts! In the next 10 minutes, this little chip becomes the beating heart of an ornithopter. Flashing firmware, plugging in servos, and getting the wings to flap. Let's build it! Here's everything we need. A PteronautOS receiver. An ESP8285 running a Fork-off Express LRS, tuned specifically for flapping wing flight. An FTDI adapter to flash it. And 2 servos for the first bench test. Plus a power source. Now the trick that makes this board friendly. It has no auto reset on the FTDI. So to enter the bootloader, we hold boot, unplug the USB, plug it back in, keep holding for about a second, then release. The project builds with Platform I/O. One command compiles the PteronautOS image for our receiver. With the chip in the bootloader, we flash. The script finds the right ESP tool, finds the port, finds the firmware, and writes it in a single clean pass. No motors, no ESC, no Betaflight. This isn't a quad. The whole thing moves on waveform, a curve that drives the servos like a heartbeat. Today we prove it with just 2 servos, no wings yet. Done, hash verified. The chip now thinks like an ornithopter. Two channels, left and right. Plug them in, power up, and the firmware is already waiting. The receiver boots into its own Wi-Fi access point. Grab a tablet, join the network, and open the web interface. This is where the magic lives. Everything is on one page. Flapping frequency, glide angle, servo speed, mixer weights. No CLI, no config files. One tap and the waveform comes alive. That's the flapping cycle, a smooth, continuous curve, not a jittery on-off. Each servo arm goes through its stroke, holds position, and the whole thing breathes. And because it's all live, every slider changes the motion instantly. Slow it down, speed it up. This is the heartbeat the wings will follow later. This was just the quick start. The full series covers soldering, tuning, adding the wings, and first flight. If you want to fly with us, subscribe and keep building. Until next time, Pteronauts, keep your wings beating.